Yes, good morning guys. Dito ngayon tayo sa may barangay Mayundon dito sa may Los Baños. At andito ay nagkaipon-ipon ng mga tropang mag-RC boat, gas at saka electric. Oh, mga kaibigan. Ito si Master Ellie. Sir, good morning. Ay, ito yun sa'yo, sir. Yung Sonic Wake.
Wala na, injured, na hindi dikit ko.
Sa'yo ba to?
Ayun pa kadikit.
Electric. Yung mga kaibigan.
Kaya nga kay ano, kay Wewot.
Oo. Sayang, hindi nakasama si Wewot.
Di mo kasama?
Hindi nakasama, expire ang motor eh. Hindi makabiyahe.
Pwede yan. Sabihin nila sorry.
Yung gas at electric.
Alam mo, may isang bata dyan na sobrang
Yun. Yes guys, tignan natin yung mga bangka nila.
kaya matanggal.
Yun. Tatanggalin ng makina?
Ha?
Tatanggalin?
Tatanggalin kay pooling. Masyadong mataas yung kan, tumataas yung tawag nun, yung tubig. Nakuha yung tubig masyado.
Tingin tayo sa kabala, mga kaibigan. Anong makina mo? Tayo Roban lang din ba yan?
Oo.
Roban lang din, no?
Yung magsa robot. Sumayan. Kambira.
Roban. Ganito rin, Roban din to.
Oo, yan. Na-disable.
Roban lang din ang makina nila.
Isa. Disable sa takbo.
Ay,
Ay, yung parts ng ano mo.
bumangga. Ay, sayang.
Bumangga.
Marirepair pa kaya yan o gawa na ng bago? Bago na, no?
Ayan, ididikit ko pa yan, oh.
So, memplang. Ito, ay, model scale. Yate. Ito, mga kaibigan, no? Yate.
Ayun na, may maliit pang bang... Yati.
Ito, electric. Si Mayra. Electric.
Wala, yung baka mo. Jadi,
Yat.
sa'yo.
Pala may are.
Abang sa ano ko ito ba?
Si Sir, the owner of this boat. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Good.
Si Eric pala. Siya yung bukan natin, yung nagbukan sa... Kilala mo? Si Eric.
Mage RC 3S. Kasi hindi magkasya yung 4S. 2065 motor.
Sana kayo gumana.
Baka sira. Hindi ako nagdala ng tester.
Dead.
Dead. Walang power eh. Wala talaga. Tayo na yan. Master? Wala na. Patay na yan. Electric. Yes, sir.
Wayut. Yan. Ang lupit eh, no? Parang ano. Ang laki na nagastos.
Iyan mo daw yung baka niyo.
Something is buzzing inside.
Ayan.
Kanino ngayon?
ESC.
The AEC.
I got $1. They're each two throttles. Each.
Each one is independent. It's not consolidated. Both.
No, each one's independent. See, watch.
You don't have steering, rather.
Steering, right?
There. Okay. But you control the motor independently.
Yeah. You can twist it. I want to
Okay.
put a reduction gear in it. I'm going to put reduction gear in it.
Can you open it? And I get some video. There. Ah, nice. It's a real sound, a real engine.
Yeah,
Sounds of a real engine.
That's you just buy that. Look for RC car stuff. There's a ton of RC car stuff. All my lighting,
There,
all my lighting is RC car stuff. Comes in this nice little power pack. Like a
The
lights in
RC
it.
cars, oh.
RC cars got all kinds of
Yeah.
great
That's
stuff.
nice. Mga kaibigan, meron siyang speaker na parang tunog makina talaga. Kaya pag nasa loob, kala mo talaga totoo siyang yate. Yun, galing. That's a very nice boat, sir.
Thank you so much. Good work, guys. Good work on it. Well, I guess it'll never be
It's
done.
realistic. Even the sounds like a real engine. Galing.
Magaling.
Oo. Thank you very much, sir.
Oh, no problem. Let's put her in the water. See what happens.
Yeah. Ka, Radio Master ah. Sa'yo ba to? Oo, kahalang. Ito? Ah. Talagang upgraded ah. Ano mo, tol? 8 plus. 8 plus. Ay, sorry. There. There she is.
Alright, let's do one engine.
Oh, it stopped. I know, just resting.
Dalawang battery.
Oo. Kinokontrol niya pa kayo yung ano, yung motor independently. May sariling ano, dual throttle siya. Hindi ko maintindihan. Oo nga eh. Kung anong significance nun. Pero may, ay, wala na ako. There.
Ikaw po nagdahadrod nan?
Hindi.
Yung draw po?
Ayun sa taas na nagko-control.
Thank you.
Nope. Dito ako para ma-video ko. Nalundag-lundag ah.
Yung hinakaw.
Oh, 3S lang 'yon, 'di ba? Oh, okay na yung speed lalo sa ano, sa circuit. Mabilis na nga yan. Kaya nung battery gamit mo? Ay, namatay sa'yo. Ito na nga lang, ibigay ko na lang sa'yo. Alan?
Mapitik ang rabon niya.
Adjustin mo na lang sa ano, speed.
Nanalo na!
Tama, 3S lang yan, di ba?
Baba ng RPM na kagad yun. Tingnan mo.
Hmm.
Babat na pangat yun.
Ayun. Meron palang reserba eh. Oo. Unang gawa mo pa yata ito, ano? Sir? Ito yung Mark 1 pala to. Ito, Mark 2. Oh, tulin. Yun lang, namatay ulit. Ang layo na. Ang layo na. Layo na ng bangka. Ayun.
Yung kuya, punta mo na, kausapin mo.
Yun mga kaibigan, na auto brace ang kanyang remote control at ang gamit niya kasing control ay Dumbo lamang at medyo limited sa range. Hindi katulad ng Radio Link.
Nakapilisip eh.
Naka-fill. Yun, na-activate ang fail safe naman mga kaibigan. Kaya paikot-ikot lang ito. Kaya lang hindi yan mamamatay. Paikot-ikot lang at maubusan ng gasolina o kaya tumaob.
Danny. Fernando.
Naandar pa din? Ayun pa rin, oh. Mamamatay lang pag wala na siyang gasolina o kaya tumaob. Kaya rescue yun.
Don't remember.
Maybe it's 1,800, something like
I
that.
think it's something like that.
Slow KV.
Yeah, it's around 2,000.
2,000 KV. And then the battery is
The batteries are,
3S.
yeah, 3S.
Series, bali 6S.
Yeah.
Mm,
All waterproof.
a nice one. Battery. With 2,200 kV.
I gotta let it cool down here. I can go back in. I don't know what happened there. Maybe
You made by yourself or
what this is it's a kit from the U.S.
kit? Then did you assemble it? You ordered by
Hey, but it's
kit.
when you buy it, it's basically they give you the wood for the boat, but after that you're on your own. So
Just a wood
3D
only.
3D print all the chairs,
Ah,
the boat, the mast, everything is 3D printed.
3D printed.
All the plastic is 3D printed. All this boxes and battery wall.
Yes. But the wood is manually cut to assemble it.
But it started out as a kit. Called a company called Dumas. They're out of Texas.
Dumas.
I bought the kit actually like
Dumos is a wood or
this kit is really old. When I was like, okay, now I'm gonna tell you how old I am. I graduated high school in 1986.
It's a long time
So,
ago. That's a long time ago.
But when I was a teenager, or really young, you go to a hobby shop because you didn't buy stuff online. You had to go to a hobby shop, and they had the Dumas catalog. They made airplanes, boats, cars, everything. It was mail order
Dumos is the brand.
brand.
The brand.
And I always remember this boat. I said, one day I'm going to own that boat. One day I'm going to buy that boat because it was like the biggest boat they sold back then.
But this is not
it's all
the.
plyboard. It's all wood. Fiberglass was very uncommon at the time.
Very uncommon. What? Sorry.
So yeah. So and actually, like I was in the Navy. I got transferred to Japan, and I wanted a hobby. And so I said, hey, I'll start building boats again. And Dumas was getting rid of all their old boats.
But this is not the only boat you build. I mean, this is the first one, or
boat I
this?
have now. But I built
Do you have
many boats
how many?
since I was in high school.
Yes. You don't you can't remember how many you build. That's what was a long time ago.
First boat I built was like I was 12 years old.
12 years. You're very young.
I probably built a boat, maybe 2 boats a year. When I was, but I didn't have any RC back then. RC equipment was very expensive.
Yeah. It's really expensive.
80s and 90s, this was a very expensive hobby.
Yes. You're correct, sir. It's very expensive hobby. Not all of us can afford. Thank you very much, sir.
Alright.
I will take a video. Tayo doon. No split tayo mga ano.
Naka-remote to ah.
Ako, may tao pa. Out of range. Out of range. Sana. Ayan, yun, yun. na out of range na. Oh. Ang layo na. Nako, ang layo na. Ang layo na. May ano ba yan, sir? Fail safe? Naka-fail safe? Ah, wala. Nako. Ayan, bumalik na. Out of range.
Ayun kuya, sabi kuya, yun na yun, nagtatok ka din o. Yun naman na kuya, pang kanyan o. Ay mo matali. Kaya ako sabi mo yun nandun o, yun o.